Here it is.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Nelson County in central Virginia, southwestern Albemarle County in central Virginia until 6:45 a.m. At 6 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Stanton to near Stewart's Drive to near Rockbridge Pass, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Crozet, Shipman, Schuyler, Wintergreen, Montebello, Afton, Millisford, Arrington, Scottsville, Ismont, Lovingston, Piney River, Allens Creek, North Garden, Cobesville, Yancey Mills, Tyro, Buffalo Springs, Norwood, and Jonesboro. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Buena Vista in west central Virginia, the city of Lexington in west central Virginia, Rockbridge County in west central Virginia, northeastern Bedford County in south central Virginia, northeastern Botetourt County in west central Virginia, Amherst County in central Virginia, the city of Lynchburg in central Virginia until 7:15 a.m. At 6:14 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of Wintergreen to near Natural Bridge, moving southeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lynchburg, Lexington, Buena Vista, Amherst, Buchanan, Glasgow, and Forks of Buffalo. This includes the following location VMI. Prepare immediately for damaging winds, as well as deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. The storm has had a history of producing strong damaging wind gusts. A wind gust in excess of 60 miles per hour was observed at the Hot Spring Airport in Bath County as this line of storms moved through. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Now for the official National Weather Service report. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Appomattox County in central Virginia, Campbell County in central Virginia, Buckingham County in central Virginia, until 7:30 a.m. At 6:35 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Centenary to near peaks of Otter Summit, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lynchburg, Buckingham, Appomattox, Brookneal, Dillwyn, Concord, and Rustburg. includes the following locations: Liberty University and Lynchburg Airport. These storms have had a history of producing strong damaging wind gusts across Bath and Rockbridge counties. Prepare immediately for damaging winds, as well as deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, down trees or large steps, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. And now a special weather. Thunderstorms will be possible Thursday, mainly from mid to late morning into the early afternoon, as a cold front crosses the region. In addition, strong gusty winds will continue after the front passes, with gusts up to 40 miles per hour possible. Strong winds will again develop on Friday, with gusts of 30 to 40 miles per hour possible. Spotter activation may be needed this afternoon. The 11 a.m. area weather observations. In Richmond, partly sunny. Temperature 60, dew point 56, relative humidity 86%. Wind southwest, 3 miles an hour. Pressure 29. This has been a test of the NOAA All Hazards Weather Radio Alarm System. NOAA National Weather Service normally conducts this test every Wednesday between 11:30 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next fair weather day. You will be informed between 7 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. each test day if the test will or will not be conducted. This test is conducted to give you the opportunity to ensure that your radio alarm system is in good working order. This has been a test. The 11 a.m. area weather observations. In Richmond, partly sunny.